sounds like there were some people driving down Ben's Hill in town, and they weren't quite paying attention to where the road was at, and somehow they got their car off the side of the road. So we're gonna take the wrecker out there, get them pulled back up in the lane, and yeah, well, I'll show you guys when I get there. See ya. Hello.
I tried taking pictures of this thing and sending them. Do you think I can get my phone to do it? It's sitting on the belly of the gas and the oil.
Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll get the straps through the rims there, and I'll lift up my boom so it's a little bit higher, and then we'll slide it up on the tires just so it's in the lane, and they should have no problem.
Okay, all right.
But
I don't know if I ripped anything. I don't think I did. A kid from ODOT doing the flooring earlier.
Oh, okay.
He said I see this all the time. He looked at it. He says you're not okay right now. Nothing's leaking.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it should be
put
fine.
that in neutral?
No, we'll have it just stay in park because I don't want it rolling side to side once I get the hooks on.
Okay.
But I'll get all the straps on there, and then I'll get it tilted. We'll get it right back. Yeah, no problem.
Coming up there, I was pulling my horse trailer, my husband's big pickup.
Oh, really?
And I went in a ditch that I stood on the side of the
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
They pulled me outside.
Yeah, that gravel on the side's really soft. Oh.
This stuff here, I didn't know it was soft. You know, I was cracking wheels where I went.
Yeah.
And this happens in seconds.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't take too long. Alright, I want to get sure. Maybe I'll grab two of the arms here. Normally you want to get on the low side there, but I think we'll have enough height to lift it up anyway. There we go. Go get that turned and locked in there. Make sure it doesn't come apart. I'll take a look here real quick. Okay, yeah, it's just this real soft gravel stuff in there, and then once we get the height on there, it'll slide right up. Get the winches locked. There we go. And make sure these swivel heads point the right way. Don't want to bend them. Oh, this thing can't. Gotta try to get this one all done before it starts raining on me. All right. go. I want to get the boom up higher, get a little more lift on here. Here. It's coming up nice and easy. There we go. Sure here. Right up here. There we go. No, it looks like we're all good there. It just has some of the dirt kind of trapped up under there, but that should come out while we get going here. And then I'll get the straps off and everything, but you should be all set. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, no problem. You're all set there. All right, have a good day. These winches all pulled back in here. Alright everybody, we got that one out of there. And luckily it wasn't a too bad of a recovery there. It's pretty typical. What you see is 2 wheels in the ditch, 2 wheels on. This one here, they were really concerned that it might cause the oil pan to leak or anything like that because it was resting on that pavement. That's why when I put the 2 lines on there, the first thing I want to do is get that boom height a little bit higher. That way when we start pulling on the winches, you see there in the back wheel kind of get lifted off the ground. There's more weight on the front, of course, so that side's a little bit lower, but I want to take the pressure off the center of the car and kind of get it tilted. That way when we pull it up, the tires, as they rise up over the dirt, will give it that lift we need so it's not dragging on the bottom of the car. But luckily, guys, it came out perfectly. They were able to drive it away, no issues at all. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys could, hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please, if you have anybody that's interested in the type of work that I'm doing, please share this video. From what I hear, sharing the videos actually helps out the most. So more reach is always better. See you on the next one.